Welcome back to Technology in the Future, your premier destination for in-depth analysis and expert insights into the latest technological advancements. Today, we are excited to delve into the captivating realm of wearable technology, with a specific focus on the highly anticipated Garmin Fenix 8 Pro series. Recent leaks have provided a glimpse into the groundbreaking features and cutting-edge technology that promise to revolutionize the smartwatch industry. Building upon a legacy of excellence, the Garmin Fenix 8 series. Garmin's Fenix 8 series has already established itself as a benchmark for excellence in the wearable technology market. Characterized by its robust design, advanced fitness tracking capabilities, and impressive battery life, the Fenix 8 series has garnered widespread acclaim from outdoor enthusiasts, athletes, and health-conscious individuals alike. Unveiling the future, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro series. The upcoming Fenix 8 Pro models promise to elevate the wearable technology experience to unprecedented heights, with rumors hinting at the incorporation of innovative features, such as enhanced GPS capabilities, advanced health monitoring, and seamless integration with other Garmin devices. The Fenix 8 Pro series is poised to redefine the boundaries of wearable technology. As we eagerly await the official announcement, we will continue to provide you with the latest updates, rumors, and analysis surrounding the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro series. As we delve into the exciting world of wearable technology, specifically the highly anticipated Garmin Fenix 8 Pro series, one pressing question remains. When can we expect these innovative timepieces to hit the market, and at what price point? Unfortunately, Garmin has yet to officially confirm the existence of the Fenix 8 Pro models, leaving us to speculate about their pricing and release date. Premium features, premium pricing. Considering the premium features and advanced technology that are rumored to be incorporated into the Fenix 8 Pro series, it is likely that these watches will be priced accordingly. Garmin's Fenix series has traditionally been positioned as a high-end offering, catering to outdoor enthusiasts, athletes, and individuals seeking advanced fitness tracking capabilities. As such, we can expect the Fenix 8 Pro models to be priced competitively with other high-end smartwatches on the market. Stay informed with the latest updates. As we eagerly await more information from Garmin, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates, reviews, and tech news. Our team of experts is committed to providing you with timely and accurate information, ensuring that you remain at the forefront of the latest technological advancements. As soon as more details emerge about the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro series, we'll be sure to share them with you. As we conclude our in-depth exploration of the highly anticipated Garmin Fenix 8 Pro series, we invite you to share your thoughts and join the conversation. In the comments section below, we encourage you to express your excitement, concerns, or suggestions regarding the potential features and capabilities of the Fenix 8 Pro series. What features would you like to see? As we eagerly await the official announcement from Garmin, we ask, what features would you like to see in the next generation of Garmin smartwatches? Are you looking for enhanced GPS capabilities, advanced health monitoring, or seamless integration with other Garmin devices? Perhaps you have a unique feature in mind that would elevate the wearable technology experience to new heights. Share your ideas, and let's explore the possibilities together, staying connected and up to date. To ensure that you remain informed about the latest developments surrounding the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro series, we invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. By joining our community, you will gain access to a wealth of tech-related content, including in-depth reviews, expert analysis, and breaking news. Together, let's explore the exciting world of wearable technology and stay ahead of the curve.